Hey there guys, welcome to K-Sed's double box break number 154 of 12-13 Panini Limited Hockey. So last team that ended in this break was the Edmonton Oilers on February 27th at 7:58 p.m. Eastern Time. So go up to current date time. Refresh. So current date time is Wednesday, February 27th at 8:39 p.m. Pacific, and it's Wednesday, February 27th at 11:39 p.m. Eastern Time. So back to our break. And serial numbers we're doing tonight are NE1 1910222237, then 1022, then the rest of the numbers are blocked, so I'll show you guys what I mean by that. So the first box, NE191022237. The next one is 191022. Then pretty much got to kind of stretch it to, you still can't see it. So that's why there's X's, because the Panini logo is blocking it. So go over our boxes. And tomorrow we got double limited hockey again, and we got cup hockey coming out of a new case. So first 10 is going to be pulled out of a sealed case, and limited football coming out of sealed case too. Oh, sorry, I didn't flip that one over for you guys. Sealed all the way around. So I'll show you guys serial numbers for each box and we'll get started, guys. So we'll start with 2237. Good luck, guys. And we got Dennis Wideman for the Calgary Flames at $2.99. Just because I've pulled enough of him, I know it. So the Flames logo on the back. Then we got Delton Prout. I don't know why some of his cards are live and some are redemptions then. Out of 25, so the draft logo one. For the Columbus Blue Jackets, 16 of 25. Delton Prout. We have a redemption for the Pittsburgh Penguins. So whoever's any redemptions in the break, I can actually eBay message to you guys if you like. We got limited travels of Joe Mullen out of 194 of 199, which is going to be random between the Blues and Penguins because there's both logos on the back. So we'll do that at the end of the video. We got authentic jumbo materials of Marian Gaborik, number 10 of 49, or is it 10 of 49? Yeah, and I think that's his jersey number as well. It's 10 of 49, yeah, Marian Gaborik jersey number. And we got Stanley Cup winner of Bobby Hull for the Blackhawks, out of 199. We got limited captains for the Sharks, out of 199. Joe Thornton. On to box 2. 1022. I'll just bring this one card to the front since it was backwards. So we got Keith Yandel for the Phoenix Coyotes out of 299. Then we got one of the board crashers for the Flyers of Keith Primo out of 199 for the Flyers. We have another Stanley Cup winner of Bobby Hall out of 199. Wow, a lot of these are back. Wow, talk about backwards galore. Okay, there we go. So then we got Alex Burmistrov, just a silver spotlight variation out of 49 for the Jets. We got a limited jersey of Daniel Alfredson for the Ottawa Senators, number 3 of 99. Then we got jumbo jersey auto of Riley Smith for the Dallas Stars, 26 of 99. So jersey auto. And we got trophy winners autograph of Vincent LeCavier, number 90 of 99 for the Lightning. Okay, so just give me 1 minute. We'll do the randomizer for the Joe Mullen. Okay, so get the randomizer set up for the Joe Mullen limited travels. So it's random between the Blues and Penguins in the order as the card appears. We're going to random the list 3 times, and team on top after the 3rd time is going to receive the card. So good luck to the 2 teams in it. So 1, 2, 3, and it goes to the St. Louis Blues, and you have randomized this list 3 times. So congratulations, St. Louis. And be sure to check out the breaks ending tomorrow. New case of hockey, or cup hockey, limited football, and limited hockey for tomorrow. And that, thanks as always, guys. Take care.